The key thing is that we have to be seen to promote the whole industry and not parts of it. And so therefore we cannot have favourites or those things. We need to make sure that we're completely unbiased with the information we try and give. And that's the key thing that FESPA provides. The way that I would see it is that the community has changed quite a lot, and in fact it's not just one community, it's several communities, and we have to make sure that we create content for those specific communities. So for example, the DTG, direct to garments sector, is very distinct from necessarily the signage sector, and we need to make sure we produce products for those. Luckily, so far we have done, and we will continue to. Also the rap community, we have the World Rap Masters. Now, this 9-10 years ago was a very small element of what we do. Now it has the World Rapping Competition, where we have entries from around the world competing to find the best rapper in the world, and I think we've had 9 World Rap Masters. So it's a really strong product. As long as you identify what the community wants, the individual communities want, and you deliver them that product, then you'll do well. But actually we have several communities that all align with FESPA, and we're focused very clearly on making sure we provide distinct content for each of those communities. I think by listening to itself in some ways. That's the difference between what we do and what many other organisers do. At the end of the day, if I'm not sure what's happening in the print industry, I've got 8 board members who are printers that I can go speak to, 9 board members that I can speak to. I've got any member of the president of associations or secretaries. All of this information is coming into me continuously. We've even got Graham, our technical manager, who can tell us exactly what's happening in the print industry. So the reason why I think we can future-proof ourselves better is because we're in contact with the market continuously. And that's both face-to-face, but also as well using our research tools as well. I mean, some exhibitors, large or small, will be coming there saying, I've got a product, I think it'll work. I've spoken to a couple of exhibitors, a couple of printers, that may be interested in this, but actually, when they go there and they can see so many different countries, if you went to a normal show in Europe, 70% of the audience comes from outside of the host nation. And so therefore you've got this massive opportunity to speak to 120 different countries to test if that product works or not. And that is much easier than necessarily you getting on the phone and speaking to 3 or 4 printers that you may know. And so it gives you the opportunity to test new products as well as sell new products.